thinking about everything. No telling what could happen next. What kind of stories people will say, huh? Dang. Oh, what's up? Dominoes 7 here. All right. Well, welcome to this Facebook live stream. All right. So I'm just here on Canal and Broad, waiting on the veterans. Okay. So so anyway, y'all, I'm just here to well, y'all see that? I'm waiting on the E1 veterans. Yep, the veterans come out here now. All right. So the thing is, the veterans do come out. This is a grocery store now, so it's no longer Rite Aid. It can be. Well, we can't always guarantee what the hell it's gonna be, you know. And look, they're building something over there too. Oh yeah, overhaul a gas station, you know, whatever that case could be. All right, so anyway, I wonder who all go to this supermarket, you know? Who knows? All right, you know something? I ain't gonna talk about it on my show though, but some food gave me the strangest news when I went to this place. So I'm not gonna say what it is though, you know. All that being done and stuff like that. Somebody cursing up a storm, using Facebook, talking about F this with blah 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 and all that. Yeah. So anyway, y'all, I'm getting ready to go to the doctor, y'all. Ain't nothing wrong with me. It's just that I'm getting some paper filled out for my DCL, you know, disability, you know. Yep. Yes, I do take medicine, y'all. I don't know why I'm saying that, so I'm saying it, you know. Yep. Look where I'm at, y'all. Okay. I'm waiting on the bus, you know. Jefferson Parish. Yep. My doctor's in Jefferson Parish, you know. Yeah, it looks okay down here, you know. They have a few businesses down there. And some of you already know why I'm wearing a mask, though, due to COVID-19, you know. So hopefully this pandemic will be over, you know. Hopefully this pandemic will be over. So let's get on our hands and knees and pray, you know. And I'm going to try not to curse in my videos because I don't be knowing who be watching my videos. Sometimes my pastor watch my show, you know. I don't know who. Some members of my church probably watch this, you know. So, hey, I'm going to try my best to be careful, okay? All right? So, if y'all see me wearing this mask or whatever, if this video on dang YouTube, you know. Oh, well. All right. You know what I should have, my glasses falling off. I mean, you know, I should have went rode to the airline bus, the E2. You know, I should have. I wasn't thinking. I'm thinking this E1 was gonna come quickly. Maybe it will come quickly because it's going slow right now. You know. All right, on my way to Kenner. I'm still in Orleans Parish. They go to the street called. No, I don't have that COVID. I'm just coughing, okay? All right. So, all right. The bus ain't coming yet, so I'm about to wait, okay? So, thank y'all for watching so far, all right? With this Facebook live vlog on Canal, okay? By Canal and Broad, okay? All right. Bye-bye.